I've got the suds, V8 engine sludge, mentally sick like Elmer Fudd, sick like eating too much fudge. Them chocolate girls do that to ya, hypnotize the life from ya. That's the power of the kitty, no sorry cat, icky vicky. I've got the suds, I collapse in the mud, gone bad like a dud, tastes like beer, nasty bud. Wiser health storm like a lighter, can't shine brighter or go boom like Gizzard Geyser. The sud effect now affects higher, get treated by folks in medical attire. Oh, please find a cure, there's a remedy I'm sure, or methods that are pure. The virus is lair is where the sick get lured. Oh me, oh my, oh me, oh my. The suds are lethal, now we gotta die. Gotta follow health rules I wanna abide by. So many will perish, but who will cry? Not the government, with this they'll strive. Yeah, I've got the suds, it hits my immune system with a thud. Gotta hydrate, maintain your fate. Without warning, your body quickly drains like an 80-mile-per-hour bullet to the brain. It'll feel like a fish snatched up by a crane, and this is something that cannot be tamed. Oh me, oh my, oh me, oh my. The suds will be here for a very long time. Sneeze and bubbles come out, dredge up your organs so hard as a drought. This pandemic is worse than chasing clout. Why hide the truth? What's that all about? Yeah, I've got the suds. They took my blood, took a half jug. More liquid to my lungs, eternal flood. My life cut short, I want a refund. Can't even talk, mentally numb. All the feeling of pain is a go. Like the book, small steps, the year I got polio. Cure me, let me be free. Pull the plug, either way I'll still be free. Yeah, cure me, let me be free. Pull the plug, either way I'll still be free. Yeah, I've got the suds, I've got the suds, I've got the suds, I've got the suds.
Suds will be here for a very long time.